Cool breezes and sunshine filled the day across the shore today.
But how about Tuesday? Let's check in with Mike for the latest.
Another sunny day on tap tomorrow, but first things first, tomorrow morning, yes, some of you may be scraping some ice off the windshield.
I know a lot of people will be going through their closets and their car trunks tonight looking for the ice scraper. They're going to need it, huh?
In the outlying areas will be a touch of frost. This is not going to be a widespread killing frost, but our first hint of things to come in the coming weeks and months. Today, though, a beautiful day. Fall, autumnal, breezes blowing across the shore. Highs in Salisbury did finally make it up to 60. 61 officially. Dover, it's 60, and it's going to be even colder than this morning's 43. Area of high pressure around the eastern part of the country, centered over Memphis, and that's been giving us a rather cool northwesterly breeze coming across the lakes. Areas up there had their first hint of winter with some snowflakes flying. Parts of western New York State overnight. Right now, Mount Washington, the wind chill has dropped to 22 below zero, and the cool air even down in northern Florida. Still some rain left over, though, in South Florida this afternoon, where temperatures have cooled off into the 70s, some rain around Miami and West Palm Beach, and still some leftover rain showers, even mixed in with some sleet in parts of western Pennsylvania. Bradford had some sleet earlier this afternoon. Here in Salisbury, it's clear, and the winds are dropping off. The temperature 53. The dew point temperature now 34, and as the winds drop off, the temperature will fall down into the 30s, probably not down as cold as 34, with the exception of those isolated colder locations. If you live in a low-lying area outside of the towns on the shore, expect a little bit of frost in the morning. Pressure's on the way up, and that humidity at 49%. Dover clear 52 at the airbase, the wind west at 5. Also a rising barometer, and their humidity is at an even 50%. Show you what's been going on since late Sunday. A big swirl in the atmosphere over the Canadian Maritimes through Quebec province, and the cold front slicing down through Florida, heading southward and off the coast. Our skies cleared yesterday, late yesterday. The northwesterly wind flow up around 20,000 feet continues, the jet stream winds, and that's been pouring in the cool air from the lakes into southern Canada, or into southern sections of New England through the afternoon. And as far south as the Gulf coastal states this morning, Birmingham had a record low this morning of 34 degrees, and our temperatures tomorrow morning here in the east will drop into the 30s as far south as the mountains of North Georgia. And as the cool air remains entrenched, another sunny day tomorrow, but a bit warmer as the winds gradually recover and return from the west and southwest tomorrow into Wednesday. Still some leftover showers in Florida and South Texas. Rest of the country, though, fairly quiet. A lot of sunshine from generally coast to coast. A couple of spots out west may see 1 or 2 rain showers. The high spots of the northern Rockies, parts of Montana and Wyoming as the winds upslope. Southwest, the deserts will be warm once again tomorrow. Also the plain states. Denver right now is sunny and 80, and remember back on Friday they had a couple of inches of snow. So overnight here on the shore, remaining clear and cold with some areas of frost, 35 to 38. Our record tomorrow morning is 30, so we won't break the record. Tomorrow as you get up and head out for work and school, bright sunny day, lots of sunshine through the afternoon, milder afternoon too, 64 to 67. Tomorrow night, clear once again, and a low near 40 early Wednesday morning. More sunshine right on through the rest of the week, with maybe 1 or 2 showers with the next cool front on Friday, Steve, setting us up for another excellent weekend next weekend. A little bit better than this weekend. We had some showers and a little steamy on Saturday.
Yeah, speaking of which, we had the Making Strides event down in Ocean City for the American Cancer Society. Very good. We raised $6,200 for the American Cancer Society, all on the lower shore. Good job. 140 people turned out. So.
And you were one of them.
I was one of them.
Good for you.
Kind of breezy and chilly down there on the boardwalk, but we survived. Sure. Thanks, Mike. Let's take a look at today's grain prices.